Hi everybody, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from Vern and I at California Tea and Herbal. We want to thank you for watching us this year and helping us get the message of tea across. Thanks for all the shares and likes. We really appreciate it. And our goal is to go ahead and move forward and tell you as much as we can and share as much as we can about tea. You can see the poinsettia behind me, and we're having a very simple Christmas here this year. And so I want to, before I get into the recipes, because this is all about some of our favorite holiday recipes, I want to tell you about a story about a lady who is my favorite story for this year. Okay, so this is a really wonderful story for Christmas, and it's about a lady named Dee who, if you are an adult and you lived through the recession, you know it hit pretty much everybody hard. It hit us hard, and it hit Dee particularly hard. She absolutely lost everything. She'd been a working mom and working hard all her life, and she lost everything. At 67, she is now. She ended up living in her car. This started a few years ago. She was living in her car, and she was featured in a video that I found recommended on YouTube, as I'm always, I enjoy YouTube. So that's how I found Dee. And while Dee was living in her car, she was featured on a channel called Cheap RV Living. It's a very popular channel, and it's had a documentary about the founder of that channel, and he did Dee's story at that time, and it was his second highest video. It was over 3 million views, so you might want to watch that as well. And so Dee, and I'm going to have her channel linked to, as I said, I hope I've already said this in my show more. But Dee went from this car she was living in into a cargo trailer that she had built out with some help. And then about that time, she was able to get into yet another space that worked better for her, which was a box van, which she also had built out. And so I want to see if that flower is getting in there. And so she just kept moving forward. She is a beautiful Christian, and she did call out to God for help and to Jesus, and she really prayed for help, and God has just helped her. We were able to actually meet Dee a couple weeks ago now, and she's just as wonderful in person as she is on her channel. So what happened, though, was this last year, when she moved into this place she's in now, she had a lot of things that hit her, and physically. She fell and fractured her back and wrist. She had a stroke. She had 4 eye surgeries, and then her little service dog was killed by a coyote. And so, you know, if you're going through some things yourself, I really can't imagine it could be a whole lot worse. But Dee is so inspiring, because not only did God bring her through all that, Dee has now started her own YouTube channel, as I told you, and she just started her own business. So she is now self-employed right out of that small living space using a computer and her phone. So anybody has the hope to start over. And Merry Christmas, Dee. Thank you for letting us come and meet you and visit you. And now we're going to get into the recipes. All right, folks, let's do our Christmas drinks. I'm going to look down here and make sure I get them right. The first is a pumpkin spice chai frappe. Now, I'm going to put the picture up here, but you'll have to get each recipe and the link to the video from that video, and so that will be in Show More. So you'll have to go on your computer for that. So next is this delicious chocolate peppermint frappe, and all these have the tea infusions in them, and they're just amazing. So the third is actually a dessert, and if you need a quick dessert that you can make for unexpected guests, this is made with canned pears and a cinnamony plummy tea infusion, and so that is our tea poached pears. By the way, these can be enjoyed year-round. You know, you don't have to wait for the holidays. So our last beverage for the holidays is a wonderful tea-infused latte, an eggnog latte. If you've ever had an eggnog latte, this will blow it out of the water. This is a wonderful, wonderful. In fact, someone just put up on our channel that they had tried it and it was absolutely delicious. Thank you for that. Love your comments too. And so the very last one will be for New Year's. Now, you may like champagne or whatever, but we don't drink. We haven't actually for many years. And so I'm always looking for good non-alcoholic kind of substitutes. And this is it's lime, mint, and green tea mocktail. And so a lot of chefs are, I'm sorry, I'm moving this around. I do this is tough. Where's that flower? I'm trying to get forget. I guess I can't get that. It's somewhere back there, the poinsettia. Anyway, this is a great non-alcoholic cocktail for New Year's Eve. So be sure and try that. And we will not be back till after the first of the year. So we want to thank you for watching us this year. We ask you to please subscribe if you haven't yet, like and share with your tea curious or tea loving friends. We're passionate about loose tea. We don't like tea bags or sachets. I have a video that will talk more about that. Look through our playlists, get familiar with our channel. We really do try to keep you informed about the tea world. Okay, everybody, thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button below and then like and share. I don't know if I already asked that. I'm kind of making this in segments. And we just want to, again, thank you for watching our channel. May God bless you. Like I said, wherever you are right now, alone, really down in life, things will get better. God is a good God. He really cares about you. And He cares so much that He sent His Son to this earth in the form of man to share what we feel. And so all you have to do is just cry out, and in your troubles, if you're in the middle of troubles, cry out and say, God, I need that gift. I need to have you in my life. And His Son will definitely come in and your life will get better. Maybe not overnight. Dee's has been a process of several years to where she is now, but there's always hope. So Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and God bless you.